over here. The cat in the hat is about to appear. He's whizzing over to whisk you away on a fabulous journey today.
He's coming!
Now he's arrived in the thingamajigger, the thing that he drives. He's a cat and he's oodles of fun with his hairy helpers thing till thing one. Just start like that. Wherever you're going, wherever you're at, the cat in the hat knows a lot about. He knows a lot about. He knows a lot about. He knows a lot about that.
I know he's in there, Nick. He sings to me every morning. Sing your song, Melvin, like this. Ha 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 ha. He must be sleeping in today, Sally.
Sleeping in? Me? No. La, 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 la.
It's the cat! The cat in the hat!
The hat-wearing cat. You're right about that.
What's all the vacation stuff for?
For a vacation, of course. That house. Why, it's perfect. Yes, that house will do. Then I can vacation next door to you two.
But that's my friend's house.
Whoa! Hop in! Take a ride! Let's see what's inside.
Clearly, this house belongs to a...
Buckle up! Quick, quick, quick!
But, Cat, we're too big.
Then press the shrink-a-madoodle.
I'm not sure Melvin will want us to go into his...
House! Here we come!
He never hears what I say either.
A bit dull for a vacation home.
This isn't a vacation home. It's Melvin's home. Melvin's a bird. He's a purple martin.
Purple Martin Melvin's home? Why didn't you say?
I did. But Melvin's not here, Sally. I know. He's gone. Melvin, come home.
I think at this time of year...
Let's make this house fun. I know what to do. This is a job for Thing 1 and Thing 2.
Yes, then maybe he'd come back. And best of all, a huge picture of Melvin. Wow, looks good. Now all we need to do is find him and show him his fantabulous house.
And maybe find me somewhere to take a fantabulous vacation too. Press the thingamaboodle! Come along. Let's go find just where your bird flew. Your mother will not mind at all if you do.
Mom, can we go out with the cat to look for Melvin the purple martin?
Of course, honey, but bundle up. It's getting chilly.
Okay, we can go, we can go.
I know. To the thingamajigger. Buckle up. Flick the jigger, my whizzer. Isn't this fun? Here we go, 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 go. On an adventure, the thingamajigger is up and away.
Go, 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 go. On an adventure, we're flying with the cat in the hat today.
We're gonna find Melvin and take a vacation. I do hope we find a sunny location.
Here we go, 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 go. On an adventure, go, 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 go.
nice birdhouse.
Oh, what craftsmanship.
How lovely. We'll take it.
I'm sorry, but this house belongs to Melvin, the purple martin. Have you seen him?
Nope. Sorry.
Afraid not.
I miss him so much. Where is Melvin gone?
Where's he gone?
Migration.
Migration.
Migration? Cat, what's migration? Cat?
Check around the tree, kids.
The cat! Cat, do you know anything about migration?
Doesn't ring a bell, but I do know a lot about vacations, and a forest vacation might be fun. Ouch! Under my blanket, there's something that juts. It's bumpy, it's lumpy, it feels just like nuts. Who's been bearing nuts? Oh, come on, who was it?
I have, of course. It was me.
But why?
Squirrels always bury nuts so that we have food for the winter. And I always bury my nuts there.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Mr. Squirrel. Let me help you out. Bloop, blip, bloop, pling.
Oh, thank you. No, really. That's plenty. Ah, thank you so much.
Hey, Nick! Maybe Melvin is out looking for food, too. Yeah. If we find some food for him, he might come back. What do purple martins eat, Sally? Bugs! Come on, we need to find some bugs.
Bugs? Ooh, not many of those around here this time of year. They don't like the cold, see? You will have to go a long way from here if you want to find any bugs. Whoa!
Don't mind me. Just checking out this hole as a possible vacation home.
That hole is a rabbit hole, and it's my home.
Ah, so sorry, Mr. Rabbit, sir.
Come on, Cat. We've got to find some bugs for Melvin. And we'll find them someplace warm.
On my way! Our search for some bugs will be warmer, at least. But what do we hear? Why, Canada geese!
Hey! You geese! What's the rush?
Migration!
I could have told you that.
What is migration?
Oh, it's like a vacation for birds. Not all birds migrate, but the ones who do, like us, can't wait to escape the cold.
Melvin must be escaping the cold, too. He'll be somewhere warm. Where he'll find bugs. Yes! Goose, wait up! Can you tell us where the purple martins go to when they migrate?
How should I know? I'm a goose, eh? Ask them. They're martins.
Melvin, you say? Do you know a Melvin?
Nah, then he went ahead with the first group.
What? Some of you have already migrated?
Sure. We go in groups, see?
We go in groups.
And we're setting off right now.
Right now.
At this very moment.
This second.
Come on! They can lead us to Melvin.
A migration vacation up and away. We'll follow those martins if it takes us all day.
How will I ever pick Melvin out in this crowd?
La, 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 la. Just an idea.
A great idea! Melvin might whistle back.
La, 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 la.
Melvin! Sally! I decided to take a migration vacation just like you, to make sure you were okay.
Yeah, I'm okay. Migration's much more than just a holiday. It means lots of food and warm weather.
Just perfect for a cat.
Hey, care to join us for our migration feast?
No thanks. We just ate.
Some birds migrate to a place where it's sunny because that's where the bugs are. Now, isn't that funny?
Oh, and I want to show you something.
Wow! This birdhouse is great!
Oh, my goodness! This is something else.
Oh, Sally, you fixed up my home. I can't wait to live here in the spring.
You'll come back home in the spring?
Sure, we all come back in the spring when it's warmer at home.
Then I'll make sure that your home is full of extra yummy bugs and warm bed feathers.
Oh, that would be great. But what about my friends?
Oh, okay. I just had the best idea ever.
Huh?
Come on, everyone. We have to hurry home. There's something important we have to do.
We'll be back. Bye. Bye. See you later. Toodles.
Bye, and thank you.
Bye, Melvin. Bye, Purple Martins. See you in the spring. Bye, guys. See you later.
A vacation for birds. Migration's the thing. Go off in the winter, come back in the spring.
All ready for next spring. Yeah, when Melvin will come back with all of his friends.
Now, this is what I call a vacation home. La, 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 la.
Okay, Minis, get ready for Baba and the Adventures of Buddy. Next on Mini CITV. Can you find the odd one out? One doesn't fit. If you find it, shout. There it is. That's the odd one out. Did you get it right?
It's the counting song. Count with me. Hey!
How many GGs can you see? If you can see GG, then count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 gentle GGs is what we see. Well done, you did it. You counted with me.
That was great. You're amazing.
Pink is the color of a tongue sticking out.
Sticking out, sticking out. Everything's sticking out.
Purple is the color of a wizard's cape.
Let's mix up the spell. It's a purple wizard's cape.
Green is the color of the grass under your feet.
It's neat. Let's play. Green grass under your feet. Look around you, there are colors all around. Open your eyes, there are colors to be found. Orange, green or brown, yellow, red or blue.